Hello, good evening, my dear students. Can you see me? Yes, today I decided before starting my class, I will see you because I really want to give my blessings personally. And you know what? When I open my screen every day, every class, when I open my screen is full with lovely artworks you want to share with me. And I can't express myself how much joy and proud I feel for all of you. Today, I really want to talk with you all to send my blessings for all of you. You all are amazing. I'm simply a mentor who is guiding you, but the way you are coming out, your hard work, your dedication, your zeal, that is amazing. And I'm really proud of you. You all are doing really well. My blessings are with you. Keep doing this ways, keep trying this ways. When I open my screen today, also see so many are ready with their work. And I'm very happy to see this, that you all are trying your hands on different kind of artworks also. So this is something which is very important. More and more practice will make you perfect. Always, we know this now. Practice always makes a man perfect. And keep giving me smiles as usual. है ना? Smile, keep your heart full of enthusiasm, joy, okay? And not only while making drawing, every time, keep smiling, okay? So shall we start our work? Chalo, let's get started. Yes, as I can see, so many artworks are today also waiting so that I can see them. So, yes, see, can you see the screen in front of my eyes? This way is when I open my screen, so many are always ready. You can see Parv, Yoshita, Manasvi, Vanshika, Akansha, and Janvi. When I keep scrolling continuously, you can see the work. And this is the way I can see you. Okay. So now I will keep my camera on my studio and we will start with our work. Okay. Today's artwork is the most demanded artwork. Very highly demanded because on 5th, a very special day we are, and this is Trina. Trina, this is a beautiful portrait of Harry Potter. Very, very well done. So without delay, we will start today. On 5th of October, 5th of this month, we have Environment Day. And besides this, many of you got the topic. I will give little more closer view. I think it's very far. Initially, I will give full view of the file and then I will give little closer. I think this is okay. Okay. See, this is A3 size paper, and for your age group, I always suggest A3 size paper. Okay. So one more artwork, that is Beauty of India. And Beauty of India. This kind of artwork we keep getting. And Incredible India. So if you can try this kind of artwork for showing this, because here we are going to show the beauty of environment in a very, very different way. Okay. So without delay, let's get started. And what I'm going to do, I'm not exactly in center. Here, side, I will be making a line. Okay. Although you can make it freehand, but if you want to use scale, not exactly center, slightly on side, slightly. Okay. What you want to ask, you can send message. I will clear it out. Very light line. Always make your guidelines very light. So that what can happen? You can erase. We are supposed to erase them now. So you can simply make them this way or slightly shifted here. I can shift it slightly here. This way is I made a straight line. You also do this. Okay. After giving you guidelines, I will give you closer view. Make a line. After this, what I will be doing, I will simply take five fingers. Now see, this is the bottom. Have you done with line? Students, have you done with line? Let the little space be above. Okay. If you want to make complete lines, you can make, but we will have to erase that afterwards. So I will be making only this much and make it quite light because these guidelines are, we are supposed to erase them afterwards. Can others hear me? Am I audible to others? Okay, fine. So Vishnu, you please check better. You must be having some problem, I think. Okay. Acha, now I will take 5 finger distance from bottom, 5 finger distance. See, okay, and I will make a line. Come on, 5 finger distance and make a line. All of you do this with me, and afterwards I will give you a closer view. Yes, I'm repeating once again. I draw a line which is not exactly in center, slightly shifted, not very much on side, slightly shifted. You can see this block is bigger and this is smaller comparatively. I took 5 finger distance, 4 fingers and 1 more finger. 5 finger distance and I mark a point. Topic is beauty of environment. You can connect it to the topic beauty of India. You can connect it. Yeah, I will be giving you closer view. Just take this basic measurement. Now take your eraser and erase this line. This 5 finger distance which I took, erase this line. Erase this line. Those who have small book, they will also try this ways. They will also try this ways. Those who are using A4 size, they will also go for the same measurement. Now I will be taking, and for senior batch, I normally suggest big file. This is A3 file. This is the best suitable for you. Acha, those who are using A3, they will be taking 3 finger distance. Those who are using this file, A4, A3 size, those who are using A3, they will be taking 4 fingers. Those who are using A4, they will be taking 3 fingers. Okay, small file, small distance. I will be taking 4 finger distance. Okay, 4 finger distance, 1, 2, and 3. 4 finger distance. Okay, this is 4 fingers distance. And I made 1, 2, 3 blocks. 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 3 blocks. Now I'm repeating once again what I did. I took a scale. At the place of center, I shifted little on side. I draw a line. Afterwards, I took 5 finger distance. I erased that line. Then I took 4 fingers distance 3 times because we are making face. So when you are making face, you divide your face in 3 blocks. And which feature will come in which, I will be showing that. Okay. And it's my request, students, kindly focus more on learning. And send message which is very important during class and related to artwork. And don't send useless messages. And what's your suggestions? If you have many suggestions, you can send it on Instagram also. Okay. Okay, ma'am, kindly teach this. This is my suggestion. So that will be better. And here only related question. What I did, this is 4 finger because my file is A3 size. Okay, so I'm taking 4 fingers. 4 fingers distance. And those who are using A4 size, they will take 3 fingers. Okay, small file, small measurement. Big file, big measurement. Okay, done. Now this upper line. This upper line, I will extend. First line. Okay. I'm repeating once again. This is a line. I took 5 fingers, I erased. Then 4 finger distance. Now this first line, this is the first, the second point, I will extend the lines because I'm going to take 5 finger distance here and 5 finger, total 10 fingers distance. 5 fingers this side, 5 fingers this side. Okay. And do measurement with fingers, not with scale. So 5 fingers, because total 10 fingers. So one more finger, okay, this distance, and 5 fingers here, one more here. Okay, so this ways I will be making 10 fingers. It is 12 fingers, 4, 4, 4. 12 fingers long and 10 fingers wide. And here 5 fingers I will erase. 5 fingers I will erase. Okay? Yes. Now, as I want to show environment, we will be personifying our environment. Okay? We will show environment as a beautiful lady or a beautiful girl. So we will personify. Okay? So what I will be doing, first I want to check this. All of you lift up your work. Yes. Shabash. Okay, keep measurement also in mind. 3 blocks. Whenever you want to make a face of anyone, our face is first divided into 3 equal blocks. Okay. Now I will give you closer view. Or you all have done now? Now I will focus on these 3 blocks. Okay. Now it's fine, I think. I simply go for sleeping lines. 5 fingers here, 5 fingers here. This is overall 4, 4, 4. So 10 fingers. Sorry, 12 fingers. See, space will be left. Leave it. We need little space here. Okay, now I will give a beautiful shape. And how to go? Come straight. Come straight here. Okay, move or hold your pencil very loose. Don't hold it tight. No, loose. And try to use your fingers maximum. This is straight. And simply give a curve. Okay. Simply give a curve, a beautiful soft curve. We want to show it very beautiful. Beauty of India. Suppose you want to connect it to beauty of India, then you will be giving touch of 3 colors in this artwork. Tricolor. Okay? So it will be connected to India. Any concept related to India or globe, you can try. Okay? I simply gave this kind of shape. It's looking like you. And you will extend here. Okay, you will extend it here. And our face, okay, now listen very carefully. Our face, whenever you are making a face, your face can be divided in 3 equal blocks. 1, 2, 3. 3 equal blocks, okay? 4 fingers here, okay? I can see this little more space here. Equal 4 fingers. So 4, 4, and 4. It's very important part. 4 finger, very light lines, divided in 3 lines, all of you. And this ways, now the basic layout of your face is ready. Can others see my screen properly? Is my screen blurred? Okay, so Prisha, you please check, beta. I think you have poor network because of this. Otherwise, you can check your network, beta. Internet. So this ways, I simply divide it in 1, 2, 3 blocks. After this, Bhumija, you please check, beta, because rest all can see my video. No, don't take centimeter. Don't take centimeters, simply 4 fingers. Okay? Try to do it with fingers. Now, the very first block. Okay, now I want to check this. Will you please show this shape of face? Very simple. It's looking like a big U. But not exactly round. It is here a little bit. All of you show me your work. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay. So whenever you are making any face, you will be following the same technique. Okay. Now, the top block, it contains eyebrows and forehead. Okay. Top block contains eyebrows and forehead. Middle block contains nose. Okay. Nose and eyes and ears. So nose and ears, they are equally big and in a parallel line. They are in same stripe. Your ear will not go upwards or downwards. No, it will come exactly here and your nose will come exactly here. When you divide your face in 3 equal parts, the middle length is the actual length of your nose. Okay. And ears, the length of your nose and ears always same. Okay. And eyes. I will be showing eyes. Okay. So let's start with, first I will be showing nose. Okay. Simply a curve line. Okay. We will not go for detailing. Simple curve line. Okay. It will touch. And here, where the nose is getting finished, you will be making eyes. For eyes, simply touch this block and give a curve with very soft hand. Hold your pencil softly. I will give more closer view so that you can see the detailing more nicely. Okay? Because now we are working on this face. So see where this nose, I will be making by showing this kind of line, almost straight, slightly curved. And here this is a C and slight curve. And from here, we'll simply go for a gently curved line and connect. Okay, connect it. Don't forget to add one eyelid like this. Okay, you can simply go on one side also, don't make it on other side. Otherwise, many students will make it bright. Simply this way. Okay, erase on other side. Okay, and a big bright eye. I will be making a big eyeball and see I'm going to make it this way. I will take 2 points and a round. And don't forget to show. This is round. If you will see, it is completely round, but it is connected here. And one more. Very carefully, no need to hurry, and with complete focus, you will be making this complete eyeball. If you want to make it little more big, you can make it little more big also, like this. You can touch the corner of your eyes. Don't forget to make a big and small circle inside. Okay, while giving detailing, we are going to do this. Okay, see, I made my eyeball a little more big because I really want to touch the corner. My eyes will look more bright and full of enthusiasm. We are learning a draw on environment. Environment Day we have now on 5th. So many students want to learn the concept so that they can participate in their school competitions, online competition. You can use this drawing for Beauty of India also. Okay, Beauty of India. If you Beauty of Environment, Beauty of Globe, right? So any concept, Environment Day, Global Day, Earth Day, you can even connect it to Earth Day by making face blue. Okay. I will simply see now how to make eyelid. This part I will make little more dark. Come on, do this with me. I will go here and back side, I will curve eyelashes. Okay, eyelashes. This ways you can make eyelashes also. Not too many. And I will be completing this line also. Put little dark to show that bright effect. Okay. I simply draw a C, then gave a curve. Okay, those who were not able to understand, listen carefully. C, then a curve. It's looking like S. Then with a curved line, I connected. I took 2 points and draw one O. Using those same points, I draw one small O. I just make a line to show eyelid. And here I just add some eyelashes. Okay. So this way is my beautiful eye and nose. Simply this way. Okay. And I want to check the eye. Will you please lift up and show? Yes. See, this eye is the beauty of this artwork. And we are going to make only one eye. Because second eye is completely covered with we will be showing with hair. Lovely. All of you show. Many students are not showing. This is, see, we are making nature. So nature is girl. And we are making girl size. And that's why we made very soft curves. Now I will be taking 2 fingers distance. Take 2 fingers distance. And draw one small line. Draw one small line. And simply curved. And if you make it here, don't take it with 2 fingers. Simply draw this way. Okay. It is 1 finger distance. Then this and here. After 1 finger distance, you will be making this upper lip. And then this small. This way is a very gentle smile and this lower lip. And just here, near this lip, I will take a point on face. Okay? Just near this lip, I will take a point on face. And on this eye, okay, here. I will be not in center. Side, I will take and I will connect this way, that a fleck of hair is going this way. Okay. Simply this way and give it a curve. Hide your face this way. The second eye, not required. Okay. Simply let it come down. Let it fall down. It is S. If you will see, it is a flat S. Okay. It will look like a flat S. Okay. And this complete part will erase. I taught this purposely so that every time when you will learn vlogs, that face study will be very clear for you. See, this is 1 finger distance upper lip. And now from here, okay, from here, take a point just near eye and simply show and simply go this kind of curve. And let it come close and finish. It is coming down and again one S, quite close to our first line. Okay. And we all know the ears, equally big. So here the ear line is getting finished. And this is the line of ear. I will be showing a big earring. Chalo, first you do this. Okay, I will give this bottom full view. Okay, at least this much so that you can see that from where the lines are going and where getting over. Yes, what I did, I took a point on one side. I took a point just near lip. The line is falling down, crossing this nose line and coming here and then going straight down. From here, it is just close, slightly downwards. The point I took on face, I draw a flat S. I fell down and with the curve of S again, I finished. This is again one S. Okay, again S. S is a very useful letter to show rhythmic lines. Okay, will I be able to check? All of you lift up your work and show. Yeah. And today's concept which you are learning is very, very helpful for so many. You can personify, if you want to show trees, so you can personify tree as this girl lady. You know? Very beautiful work. Shabash. Great. Okay. I can show one more wave coming from here. And I will now take my eraser. Time to erase everything. Simply erase this complete face. Okay, I taught it using figure anatomy with face study because I really want you to revise it again and again so that the basics, that face, for making face, we always make 3 blocks. It will be clear, okay? And always make sure that the distance, okay, one finger distance for first layer this and the second one. I will erase the lines. Now my complete face is hidden behind. I will be erasing the lines. I will erasing all blocks carefully. And that's why I was asking you to take it very light. I have to take it dark so that you can see lines clearly, but it should be always very light. Okay? Erase the lines. Now your face is technically perfect. See, I made my ear here because the size of ear is here, this much big. Okay? As big as your nose is. And I will simply finish all the lines. Clean it. Your face, a very stylish face, is ready now. Don't forget to show a leaf as earring. Okay? Erase the line as earring is in front. So you can show this face. Or if you want to show earring hidden behind, you can show that ways also, okay? And eyebrows. Yes, the upper block, eyebrows. So the upper block will be eyebrows. So as you want to show a very calm face with no aggression, simply a curve line. Okay? Simply, it will go in upper block. This, now your face is technically perfect. Okay? I will pick up one male for face also so that you can understand how to make that. Okay, very soon I will be coming with a male. Yes. I want to check the work. Please lift up your work, all of you. Show. Beautiful. Amazing. Great. Shabash. It's really looking great. Take a full view, okay? I will give full view once. Okay? So see this much. The upper part is not used and this much we have drawn. Okay? Now I will come on. As I want to show, now see here I will be showing water. river. I want to show river. So I will connect it this way. This complete is river. Okay. Now we will show the beauty. Let's complete this lower line. This lower lip I have now. Not from here. You just take a line and show the shoulder line. Slightly this way of environment. Okay. And a long neck. Long neck. Okay, and this is river. Now, from one flick of hair, river is coming down. Okay, so this is river. Let's show some stones in water body. Okay, you can show gradually bigger to smaller. And don't forget to show some grass. If you want to show some rhythmic, you can show that ways also. Simply some grass. And a big and a small fish. Okay, a big and a small fish. If you want to add more things, you can directly use using cotton, using earbud, you can add. It's absolutely your choice. Okay. So I add, this is underwater sea. And why the earth is looking so beautiful, environment is looking so beautiful. Or if you want to show this face as India, why this Mother India is looking so beautiful? Because everything, there is a perfect balance in nature. Okay. So here we will be showing happy fishes. How to show? Simply take a point and V. Draw a V, it's open V. One fish I will make big and one small. Simple. Only this much. For water world, we will be showing only this much. Okay. Mehar, if you have problem in eye, beta, you do one thing. You just start with this fish part. You leave that eye. Okay. I will revise it after making fishes. I will give a quick revision. Okay. I will make a V. And I will take 2 points now inside. Take 2 points inside. No, we won't be able to do coloring today because it's a detailed artwork. Will take lots of time. The coloring we will do next class. But be ready with your watercolors, oil pastel. Even if you have brush pens, you keep them also ready. Okay. And from here, now here I will be writing this ways a curved V. One more V inside. See, this is again looking like V, but it's curved. And simply draw V. Draw V. And join this point and this point. This is a point and this point with the help of C. Connected with C. Okay? Connected with C. I can simply make stripes if you want. Design is yours and eyes. Eyeballs and everything I will not draw. I will do it directly with earbud. Okay? A big fish, a small. I will be making one more. Okay? We know the method. I take 2 points. I will take simply this way is V. And this time you can connect it this way. And the fins you will be making little big. Okay. You'll be making fins little big. Very sharp fins. Okay. If you want to add anything else, you can. I will simply add some stones and grass. Okay? So now my water world, the first part of the beauty of environment, that is water world, is done. I simply add few fishes and it is done. Okay, so see, these two fishes are indicating that the health of water bodies is very good. And because of this, this aquatic life is very healthy. Okay, as we are showing, and don't pick up, at the place of picking up negative part, let's show positive part. Okay, so see this ways I complete. If you want to add few more things, it's your choice, but not required that much. And here, from here, I will be showing a tree going upwards. Okay. You can show simply slanting. Okay. I want to check this fish part. Will you please lift up your work and show? Beautiful. Amazing. Lovely. Okay. Whenever you want to make a face, always take this kind of blocks. Okay. This block will make your face perfect always. Okay. Yes. Now see this water world. Yeah, this is water world. I completed stones of irregular shape. And now I'm going to show from here. From here, I will be showing a tree with curved branch. So I took a point here. I went upwards. I will take a point quite close. I will take a point here and I will connect, make a branch. And just to add a creativity, I'm making this branch curved. Okay, and want to show that the life of forest is so healthy. I'm going to show a small panda over it. Okay. So see this ways I made a very stylish. It is S again. If you will see, it is S again. I will tell this everything better because in this we are going to do mixed media. So face we will be doing with plastic crayons and rest everything we will add little watercolors also, plastic crayons also. Now I will simply add a V and take 2 points. We are going to mix panda also, very simple and okay. So, and simply draw a tree. Okay. You can show this ways. Now this tree and panda is showing in what it is symbolizing. That even the forest life is very happy. Sea world is very happy. And aquatic animals, they're very happy. Today's drawing is on Environment Day. Okay. Beauty of India. You can connect it to Beauty of India also. Now I will be showing simply a panda. Okay, you will be making this kind of shape. Simply little triangular. Flat from above and all. And I will be making it very simple. Connect it to the tree. Cute animal with black and white. But unfortunately, very limited are left. Yes, listen, so we can show it here also. Although they live on bamboo trees, but we will show it here. Just to show, because the pandas are getting extinct very quickly. Or if you want to show a bamboo jungle here, so you can even add that also. But here I want to show a mountain with waterfall, because that is also a beauty, right? So I will be simply doing this way. See, to show ears, triangular nose, triangular black eyes. This is a black spot and eye inside. Simply, you will be taking 1 point and simple, will not make any complicated lines. Connect? Yes, I will zoom. Okay, just to show that in this forest, everyone is happy. I will be showing simple lines to show panda. Okay, this is hands, legs, and simply this way is 3 fingers. Okay, and the legs, this part is black, this part is black, remaining is white. And tree. Okay, just literally carried forward the tree. Shri Manvi, if the line of hair is becoming big, it's okay. We can cover it up. Okay, so simply I just made this face panda. Other hand, this face. And while doing colors, we will be using black and white. Now here I will be showing mountains. Okay, just here. Flat, flat. Okay, 2 mountains I will add here on the top, as if I want to show that this is the crown of a, okay. Here I showed river, and here I will be showing a waterfall. See, if your space is left above tree, don't worry. Okay, you can add more trees here, bamboo trees, or you can extend your tree little more. You must have made this branch small, because we are doing everything with measurement. So our more than half paper is occupied with face. So you can extend branches above and make tree till end. Now see, I will be showing a line here. And I will be showing a waterfall. See, I'm showing panda again. This is simply a round shape. C for showing ears. Triangle shape to show this the nose part. 2 circles. It is D actually to show eyes, because this is also black spot. W to show this. Then simply you just make this kind of curved line. Let it come on tree. 1 more. U 3 times to show fingers. 2 parallel lines are coming here. 3 to show fingers. And this way I showed panda. If you don't want to make this, you can try any other animal also. Now here, join this, make a straight line, and simply show 1 waterfall. Okay, you can simply show a waterfall and erase the lines of mountain. Okay, we will be showing waterfall from mountain. This is also the beauty of nature, right? And simply water. And first I will connect this with greenery. Okay. I want to check this work. Will you please lift up? I want to show this mountains, 2 mountains and waterfall. I will be showing that also, Krisha. Very beautiful, amazing. Lovely. Waterfall, simply lines falling down. Okay, simply lines falling down. And now I'm going to add the lines, this hairline, I will connect it to greenery. So make this kind of diagonal line and don't make leaves very small. See, Make this kind of leaf and use your lines with flow. Yes, I will be showing this down part. See, this is our bottom part. Okay. This is our bottom part. And this is our top part. Okay. So I will be showing one leaves, diagonal line, and leave a small stick and just simply, okay. From here, you can make one line coming this way and simply drop shape. See how to make? You will make a U and connect to the corner. Okay, don't make it very small and tiny. You know, make it, you can see how much big I'm making. This kind of one leaf. And I just want to show one more branch here coming from here. Okay, this hairline I'm showing as if they are branches. The cute snail. Okay, I will be making a cute snail. Like everything is happy. This is a spiral shape. Show a spiral shape. I just want to show a snail on this leaf. So draw a circle and draw a spiral shape. Take a point, draw a U and connect to the circle. Yes, I will do one thing. I will give a full view. Okay, this much part we are doing. Now we are showing the beauty of nature. Okay, so here this is water part is done. Now here mountain part is done. We are going to show leaves, butterflies and trees, jungle all around. Okay. And now I will again focus on. Krisha, I will show that. First you focus on whatever I'm teaching. I draw a snail. This is round, spiral. Take a point, write U and connect to the circle. Okay, don't forget to show two small tendrils and lovely eye. How beautiful this small insect is. And everyone have the right of and the tail by making a V. Okay. But I will give you full view in the end. First, you focus on whatever I'm teaching. Okay. In end, I will give you full view. Continuously, I'm getting messages for showing giving full view. I will be giving full view. If I will give full view as the file is vertical, it will look very small. You won't be able to get it properly. Okay. So see, I draw a small snail and I want to show a big flower. So I will add a flower here. Okay, here I can add a flower. Just draw this and divide it in this ways, equal blocks. Okay, I'm making flower easy for you. I want to check the work. Will you please lift up? Show me, all of you. Shabash, great. Wonderful. Make leaves little big, okay? On face, you will not make small, tiny leaves. You can see it's not, and I'm going to make a big flower. Okay, using this U shape. Front petals, you can make. Okay, if you want to erase this line of flex, you can erase also. And add some more lines. You again. Snail's eyes, okay? Okay. Okay. So see, snail's eyes are on antenna, but still we made it. Okay. Now I will add more petals by making U. Okay. And we will make this kind of flower. Simple flower, not too much technical, and butterflies. I will add butterflies. Okay. How will I add butterflies? Have you done with flower? See, if you don't have space for making flower, you can leave it, or otherwise you can make a small one. I will be making one more small flower here with very simple lines. And now see, flowers you can try of your choice. And as flower is in front, you will erase the lines of. Okay. And show us a lovely floral garden with some small flowers also. Very simple flowers. You can add roses. You can add roses. If you know how to draw roses, you can add. And I want to show butterflies. Okay. How to show butterflies? Simply a line. This is a V actually. Draw a V. Come on, draw a butterfly. See, those who are using small paper, they must not be having this much space. So they can leave it. You can add small, tiny flowers with a butterfly. Okay. And you will be joining it with you. Now I'm making butterfly. Yes, I'm waiting. This is a drop shape for making butterfly's body. And this complete part I'm going to fill with flowers, but I will do it directly with cotton and earbud. Okay? After this, I will be taking 2 points and one line will go upwards, one will come downwards, this way. This side upwards and this will go this way. And simply take a center point and you can simply write 3. Write 3 simply. Okay? I will be deciding that outlines should be given or not because this is a complete mixed media work. So you can do one thing. One more wing, I just draw a shape of L and J to show tendrils. J for jug to show tendrils of butterfly. I will not go for design. I will make it with earbud. Okay. And now the time for bushes. Okay. Show bushes all around. Okay, you can connect it with the line if you want. Yes, for making fish, what I did, I took a point, I draw a V. Then I took a point, I draw a V again, slightly with curved lines. Then I took a point, then draw V again. And this is C. Simple. This is the only method. Okay. Now see this butterfly behind, I will show bushes and tall trees. Show bushes. 11. V. 11 and V inside. Take eraser and erase the line. From trees, I will be making some big, some small. Okay, lots of trees, a complete canopy. I want to show a jungle. Jungle is beauty of environment. And simply show trees connected to each other. Don't try to cover up this waterfall. Let it be separate. And jungles. You can see so many trees all around in front of mountain. So what we will be doing? We will be raising all the lines of mountains, backside lines you will erase, okay? As you want to show trees now. Range of trees. And here we will be showing more bushes. Here near mountains. You will continue with bushes, more bushes. Only this part you will leave because here we are going to show water. Okay. If you feel that it is looking quite empty, you can add more leaves. Okay, you can add more leaves. See, here this is water. Waterfall we will be showing. And bushes already. This part we kept for jungle. We want to show that all animals, small tiny creature, they are also very happy. Animals are happy. And don't forget to show bushes here all around. Bushes. Okay, if you want to show some trees at the back, very small and very far, yes, you can add. Because these trees you're going to do with watercolors. Quickly. Okay, now many students were asking that will we do outlines? So yes, give outlines. Give outlines. If we will add some watercolors, we'll see that how we are going to do that. Now I will show some birds. M. You can add more butterflies if you have space. Even snail, you can show one more snail. You know, from 2 snails, 2 butterflies, according to the availability. Yes, you can add rainbow. Why not? You can add a rainbow also. I just want to add with some birds in sky. Everything is happy. You can see the beauty of nature. Using few things, like by showing fishes, we showed that water is happy. And here, this life is very happy, part of environment. Greenery, butterflies, snails, small, tiny, everything is happy. Nature is so happy. Waterfall will add the happiness to the artwork. So many bushes, trees, panda, even the animals who are getting extinct quickly and rapidly, they are also very much safe in our world. Yes, you can add bird nest. Very good suggestion. If you want to make a nest, yes, you can add whatever you feel. But you see that it should fit. It should not look like over congested and overcrowded. No, there should be a balance. And see here, I'm going to make tiny more flowers, but I will be making it directly with earbud because if we will make it now, it will take lots of time. So this is today's artwork. And if you want to show that it is connected to India, yeah, like beauty of India. In India, we have mountains, beautiful landscapes we have in India. So this artwork is covering up everything of India. Yes, you will be giving outlines with black sketch pen. I want to check the work. Will you please lift up your work, all of you? And this concept can be used for many, many other topics also. Okay? So please do revision. You will all be getting recording. And you all have done it very nicely. I can see rainbows. I can see lots of flowers. I can see a complete group of butterflies in the artwork. Looking great. Wonderful. Okay. So this is all about our today's artwork. If you want to add sun, you can add. You can add a sun here because here the rainbow is coming. And you see, on the basis of availability, if you feel that lots of space is there, add more trees, bushes. You can, yes, you can add a small nest also here. You can even add a small nest here, babies. Shall we add a nest here, or we can add a nest here also? But 3 will be very much crowded, so I will not add that. So this ways you can add your own things. So this was all about our today's learning. And our junior batch learned this. This is the artwork which our junior batch learned today. Okay. Here also we personify the face, but in a very simple way. Okay. So this way is junior and senior. You can see your artwork is also same, but you can see how mature it is. And it is comparatively according to that age. Okay. So this is all about today's artwork. If you're now, hopefully, you are prepared for competitions, your school activity, save environment, beauty of India, beauty of nature, beauty of this, whatever you want to add in this, you can personally, trees, if you want to show save trees. So show as if this is a tree, and tree you have personified. Okay. So yes, you will be giving outlines in complete artwork, give everywhere. And with this, I will wind up class. If you enjoyed today's class, can I see a big thumbs up with a buddy wali smile? Yes. You know what? This is that inspiring force for me. So give outlines. Be ready with your all color medium, earbud, cotton, watercolors also. Plastic crayon. Okay, keep your plastic crayons with you. Oil pastel with you. We will complete this. Homework is give outlines. Okay. Outlines with black. Go for black. Okay. Black gives a very clear effect to your work, and it is a poster making. Huh? This is a poster making actually. So black outline is okay. Okay. So lots of blessings. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Yes, I will show again of junior batch. Okay. So this is artwork of our junior batch. They learned today. There also they learn everything in very symbolic way. I connect this wind energy and solar energy also, so that they can connect it to the India, where we are using this kind of non-destructible energy sources and making our India clean. Okay, so this is the artwork which I am teaching to junior batch. So chalo, with this I will wind up class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Everywhere you will give outlines. Okay, complete artwork. Take care. Yes, you can add sun and clouds. Yes, you can add. If you want to add sun and clouds, you can add. If you feel that I can make a nest here, yes, you can add. Okay? You are free with your imaginations. Material is watercolors, plastic crayon, oil pastels. Okay? Water container, earbud and cotton, and paint brushes. See, all 3 color mediums you are supposed to keep ready with cotton and earbud. I can switch on to this medium to that. I do this because maximum I do mixed media work. Mixed media, it means using more than one color medium in one artwork. Okay? And even you all must have realized it's magic. Don't get stuck to one color medium. No, because each color medium is having its own property. And some are very good for showing hair. Some are very good to show features. So why not to switch on to different. Okay. So let's complete our give outlines. We are going to meet next class Wednesday. Okay. And again, it is going to be very challenging because so many things are there. So with this, I will wind up. Bye-bye. Good night. Take care. Lots of blessings.